Hey everyone, so we're at a point in the garden where everything's coming into its own and we have some nice grass growing in certain areas and the beds are done and everything's looking absolutely beautiful in the garden here. But one thing we wanted to do was accentuate some of our garden paths. We have the circle garden here. We have a small little path that goes around that circle and then we have a path over to the side. So I wanted to do something to accentuate those paths now that we have pretty much what we were going for here. So what I have here, I have some solar pathway lights that were sent to me from XM Cozy. I think that's how you say the name. But when they offered these lights to us, we had a choice of what to get, and I went with these right here because these are some beautiful, beautiful lights. Things that you normally don't find. You know, we can always go to the store and find some of the plastic garden lights, but these are very well made, and that's why we went with these right here. So these have a metal cover on them, and they have a polycrystalline solar panel. So what that basically means is they won't break as easy. So we have some hail, which we often do sometimes here in this part of Texas. They won't break that solar panel very easy. The metal cover though is going to protect it from anything knocking into or anything like that. We also have a plastic frame around it. That's the only piece that's plastic on here. But the lens itself, it's a glass lens, which looks beautiful. It's almost like a nice drinking glass. So I'm loving the way that looks. It has a stainless steel pole also, so we don't get any rust on it from the range that we have here. And one of the things that really I love about this is that the LED bulb that comes in these solar path lights are vintage style looking. So that's one thing that really spoke out to us when we were deciding to go with these lights. So they're very strong built. So what I'm gonna do is I got 12 of these. I already set up 3. Just to see what they look like. So I'm gonna set up the rest, and it's gonna be a very short video. I'm gonna come back at night to show you guys what it looks like here in the garden, and then the following morning, because I wanna get a good review out of it, I'll close it out and basically tell you what I think about these lights. So this is what it looks like at night. Now the camera does make it seem a little bit brighter, but I mean, they're perfect for walking the path here. As you can see, this is our circle garden. We put 3 on this side. Then we have some already lights that we had before that light up the arch there a little bit when it gets a little bit darker. And then we have some lights that shine into the center here. But right now we're focusing on these path lights. As you can see, that absolutely looks nice. What do you think?
We needed this. We were so ready for the path lights.
And so there's that path over there.
I'm very happy. Very happy. And they're very pretty as well, the lights.
Yeah.
I love the colors. So there was what, 2 colors to pick from?
Yeah, so you have the warm white, then you have the regular daytime light, which I think it's a little too cool looking.
And the outside of it was there like in black, and then there was in these. It was kind of like a
This is
bronze.
like a brushed bronze. The other ones were more of a black, the metal. But absolutely love the way these look here at night.
I love it. So as this garden is at another, I love how you said in the beginning. How did you say it?
I mean, it's coming into its own right now. We're still working on the garden.
You know, we have paths now. We have areas to come and walk, and at night is very nice out here to come and walk around.
Yep.
So it was time to have some path lights.
That's what it looks like at night, guys. I just wanted to show you. Tomorrow morning, I'll break down the video and basically close it out. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I like that pattern that it gives off with that glass, and then, like I was telling Angie, that vintage LED bulb is absolutely beautiful looking as well.
So pretty. So pretty. So big thank you to the company who sent these lights. Make sure to link everything there because they are awesome. Beautiful lights. I'm very happy with them.
Yep. All right, so as you can see there at night, these lights look very awesome here in the garden. They're very elegant looking and go perfectly with what we were actually going for. You know, just the product itself, it's pretty awesome. The glass, I love the structure of it and the way it gives off the light on the path. It has a pretty nice looking pattern, nothing crazy, nothing blown out. Just love the way it looks. And then that vintage LED bulb, just perfect. That's something that I absolutely love about these lights, is that vintage LED bulb. And it also has a rechargeable battery, so you can also, it's very easy to access the battery. So if you ever need to replace it, just pop it off and you can get another rechargeable battery if it ever does go out on you. But that's another perk from these lights. I'm just loving the way they look here in the garden. I don't know, you let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm just loving the way these go. They're very nice and sturdy. We've had them up for a while. The only thing, you know, we drag the hose around here, so we may have to be careful with knocking them over with the hose. I did notice in that video at night, some of them were a little bit canted to the side, and we'll fix that. But again, very sturdy, stainless steel, so they're gonna last a pretty long time. Just love the way they look. Angie absolutely loves them. We may actually get some more for different parts of the garden. Not 100% sure yet because we have some other things, and I'll link the product in the description down below so you can go ahead and take a look at it on Amazon as well. I'm not sure what they're running for right now, but again, you can go to any big box store and buy different lights. We were just looking for something that has this nice, elegant look, and we absolutely fell in love with these. And, you know, thanks to the company that sent these out to us, because it was something that we were actually looking at one point, believe it or not. They have a bunch of other different lights. They have solar, string lights, things of that nature. So again, hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick one just to show you guys what we're doing here in the garden to make it, you know, enjoyable at night here to come out and enjoy the garden. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.